and welcome to another week at Newlands Primary School. What an exciting week this is because it is the last week before Easter holidays. After Friday, you have 2 weeks off. But during this week, we're doing some fantastic Easter activities, which have some prizes for some of them. The first one is the Easter egg decorating competition. And I know that all of you have been working on it or will be working on it on the next couple of days. Later in the week, judges are going to go around the classrooms looking at all the decorated eggs that you have made, and they're going to be choosing a first, second, and third place prize winner in each of our classes. How exciting is that? I know that you're going to love the prizes, which are going to be chocolate, of course, and it's going to be fantastic to see all the brilliant, creative eggs that you have made. So that's happening, but also in early years in Key Stage 1, we're still having our Easter bonnet parade a little bit differently. The children have been working on their Easter bonnets over the last week, and this week we're going to be creating an Easter bonnet parade to share with all of our family. Isn't that exciting? So lots to do this week, lots of exciting things to happen. Now on Friday, we weren't able to do our celebration assembly. We didn't get the chance to share who the winners of our different awards are. So we're doing that today. So are you ready? It's time to talk about who has been doing some amazing work in school. And the first is our Going for Gold. In Lead's class, we have Aria. She has amazed the teachers on how quickly she has settled and follows the nursery routines after a difficult start. In York class, we have Violet and Gabe, both of them for making a beautiful daffodil using some scrunched up tissue paper. In Hall class, we have Isaac for listening well in class and answering so many questions. We also have Evie for working well in all of her lessons, but especially trying hard with Fred Talk to write down her own words. In Nottingham class, we have Helena for her amazing work in maths on fractions, and Jacob, GC, for his super understanding of tens and ones in maths. In Liverpool class, we have Morny for fantastic maths understanding of fractions, and Zara for super explanations in maths. In Cardiff class, we have Goran for trying hard in English this week when writing about Sicily. We also have Charlie for working hard in maths when practicing column addition. In Edinburgh 1, we have Tilly for working really hard in all of her lessons this week and putting 100% effort. We also have Jessica for superb effort with all of her work this week and for really trying to improve her handwriting. In Edinburgh 2, we have Addison for his beautiful writing. He has started writing an amazing brochure about Sicily. We also have George for his kind and helpful attitude towards others, children and adults. In Cambridge class, we have Tommy for his improved attitude to learning, and Molly for always doing the right thing. In Oxford class, we have Lacey for a brilliant poster about kindness, and Dylan for working hard in all his lessons, particularly in science and when doing coordinates. Well done to all those children who received the Going for Gold Award. Give them a hand. Well done. Now we have the Year of Being Brave Awards. Year of Being Brave awards. In Leeds class, we have Tommy. He's amazed the teachers when building wooden blocks to make a bridge and wanting to try it out, test it out by walking on it. In York class, we have the whole class for discipline bravery, for persevering and making an Easter bonnet. In whole class, we have Casper for discipline bravery, for trying hard with his number recognition and not giving up. We also have Jacob M for discipline bravery, for using many more English words and speaking more clearly when he talks to his friends and teachers. In Nottingham class, we have Jacob B for discipline bravery during class discussions. We also have Mary for empathetic bravery, for taking on others' perspectives. In Liverpool class, we have Casey for discipline bravery, for getting on with her work. We also have Rebecca for empathetic bravery, for helping her friends. In Cardiff class, we have Leighton for intellectual bravery, for pushing himself in English. We also have Gracie for intellectual bravery. She's trying hard with her homework and has challenged herself to learn some tricky spellings. In Edinburgh 1, we have Daniels for always being brave enough to make the right choices and showing excellent behavior. We also have Nicola for intellectual bravery in maths and showing superb understanding of multiplication. In Edinburgh 2, we have Stuart for moral bravery. He's recognized that he has made a mistake and he makes a good choice to correct himself. We also have in Cambridge class, Emily and Caden for discipline bravery. They both have been persevering with the division learning even when it has been tough. In Oxford class, we have Sarah for volunteering to read in class the class novel in front of the class. And also Casey for her contributions in lessons. Well done to all of those children. Give yourselves a big hand. Fantastic! Now, the Head Teachers Award. If you remember, I told you on last Monday that the Head Teachers Award would be those children who would spell their names to me in sign language when I saw them. And we had a few children do that. The first of the children to do that for me, sign their name, is Zara in Liverpool class. Well done, Zara. Very proud of you. We also have in Cambridge class, we have Marta for signing her name as well. She really persevered with this. She practiced and practiced. She tried to show me a couple of times. And then also in Cambridge class, we have Layla. Now, Layla's getting this one for signing her name and always contributing to lessons and being such a good role model in school. Really proud of you, Layla. Well done. Fantastic children. Let's give them a big hand. Well done. Right. I'm not setting a new challenge for this week. This week, I really want you to continue practice spelling your name in sign language. On Friday, we're going to announce all the winners for the Easter egg decoration competition. So it's exciting. All right, everyone. Make good choices, be kind, be caring, and work hard. Have a good day. Bye.